Sal, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for Code, Chips, and Control, the security posture of digital isolation. I was wondering if you could take a moment to talk to us a little bit about yourself and your book and what it's about and who it's for.
Code chips and control was the journey that I took when I wanted to ask the question, like, how much can I really trust any of the security guarantees that I'm making about the systems that I use? Both as kind of an individual, but also, when I'm in a corporation, my consumption, how are we making decisions and choices and how are we informed? So you can follow this from the production of semiconductors to kernels to embedded security to hypervisors, all the way up to space and satellite technology. There's lessons to learn at every stage of the stack, and there's probably ways that you're impacted by each. But the way that this one is a little bit different, whether or not you've had a career in software or you're just getting started, a really good way to understand cybersecurity is by the incidents that made us improve. So we dive into every major hack that changed the way that we conceive of best practices in security so that you can not only understand why we work the way that we do now, but even think a little bit about what does it mean to get beyond our current threat model and design security for the future?
Yeah, that's a really great introduction to the book, which I can highly recommend to anyone. I mean, if you're an advanced in your career in software engineering, if you're getting started, or if you're a politician or a regulator, because Sal brings together things from all the way from it's where materials are sourced from, how the manufacturing process works, how this happens in different countries, where it happens, what happens when things go wrong. There's other kinds of ways things can go wrong too. And in addition to getting hacked, there can be storms, which can actually affect water supply and how that affects chip manufacturing. I mean, everything is covered in a really interesting and informative way. The book is Code, Chips, and Control, the security posture of digital isolation. Thank you very much, Sal, for being on this Leanpub launch video.
Thank you.